everyone. Happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday today and we are just getting started with our day. I actually just finished getting dressed and I actually straightened my hair also because I took a shower last night, so I just needed to straighten my hair. And we are going to be going to the stores and I'm actually going to be taking my curtains finally to get hemmed for my dining area space. So I'm going to actually be measuring right now and then we're going to be taking it to the lady that actually does that and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much our day today, and then just come home and make dinner and all of that. So yeah, just wanted to start early with today, and I'm actually going to be getting my baby dressed right now. He's in his crib while I was actually getting ready and stuff. But yeah, this is my outfit for today. So I just need my shoes and then I will be ready to go. And then I already have my baby's outfit picked out. I just need to get him dressed, and then we're gonna be going downstairs, and then I'm gonna just give him breakfast before we go and then just head out. But yeah, I will take you guys along with us today, and I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. We're halfway through the week, so that's a good thing. And yeah, I will see you guys right now in a bit. So this is actually, guys, where I'm gonna be adding my curtains, so right here. So I'm just gonna be measuring right now to see how wide each side of the curtain has to be to let the lady know to, you know, hem them that way. So I'm gonna be measuring right now. So I'm pretty sure I've mentioned to you guys, these are the same curtains that I'm actually going to be putting on my dining area. So yeah, I just actually need to buy the curtain rod that I'm going to be using. So I actually thought of using the same one that I put here, but I did change my mind and I actually found one that I like better. So I'm going to be using that one. I just actually need to order it. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what curtains I'm going to be adding to the dining area. Hey, good morning, babies. What are you eating? Huh? You're eating cereals? Yeah? Are you okay now? Oh, you're not okay? You're not done having your tantrum? Huh, Dominic? Yeah. Dominic. Baby, are you done getting mad? He was so mad right now. He did not want me to sit him in his chair. But he has to eat something before we leave, huh, Dominic? You got your food now? Are you happy now? Look at your hair. It's a mess now. What did you do? You messed it up? You be nice, okay? So he got his breakfast. He got a waffle, chocolate chip waffle, strawberries, and prunes. He loves this for breakfast. First stop, Home Goods. Let's see what we find here. Where's the toys, baby? What is it? What are you looking at? What? What do you want, huh? What do you want, gordo? How, baby? You're so cute. You're so cute, my baby. Dos. So he found the ducks, so that's what he wanted to play with. Huh, baby? What is it, a quack quack? How does a quack quack go? What is it, baby? Oh, you saw the ball? Are you saying goal? Yeah? He saw the ball up here. I think he was... I think he saw those and then he started saying goal. This little guy. You're so smart, baby. You're so smart. Un besito al quack quack. Give a kiss. Oh, how cute. How cute. Besito? Hey guys, so we actually are just getting home and we actually already ate right now. So we went to Home Goods and then we just went to TJ Maxx for a little bit, and I only actually bought one thing excuse me, from TJ Maxx, and that's pretty much it. And then we went to the lady's house to drop off the things that we're actually gonna get fixed and stuff like that. But I think I'm gonna wait to tell her exactly the measurement that I'm gonna want the curtain, because my husband just told me to just actually get the rod first and then measure and then exactly tell her how much for her to cut just so it's not too short or not too long. So I think that's what I'm gonna be doing, because I just don't want it to be either too short or too long. So yeah, I'm gonna be ordering that probably today, and hopefully it does arrive soon. That way we can just measure and get that all taken care of. So yeah, we just actually ate. We stopped by the Mexican store, and then I just got some burritos for us, and then I gave my baby some also. But it says nap time because it's already like 3:30 or about to be 4. It's already super late. Like this day just went by so fast. But yeah, I'm gonna actually put him to sleep right now. Hopefully he does go to sleep, because I do actually want to make a video. I actually got something sent to me that they want me to just go ahead and unbox and review with you guys. So yeah, that's probably what I want to do if he does actually go to sleep. Let me just show you guys what I got from TJ Maxx, and it's just something for my little baby. Some PJs. They are so cute. They are some Sesame Street PJs, and it's kind of like a onesie, so they're like pretty long. Yeah, so this is like the bottom, and then it has the zipper right here. So I got this from TJ Maxx, and I got it for $6.99. I thought that was such a good price for it. And it's a 40, and it looks like it's really long and big. But I think once I actually put it on him, I think it won't be too big, because, you know, he's like chunky and stuff. So I think it will just be good. And then when we were at TJ Maxx, he was kind of starting to get fussy. So I did actually buy these wafer bites. And they have vanilla inside. They are so good. So if you guys haven't tried these, definitely try them. They are so addicting, and they smell so good too. So yeah, that's all I bought, guys. So he fell asleep, guys.